Greetings everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a CopyMaster account on the MTrading platform. So first step is logging in. Fill in your credentials and press login. If you don't have an account yet, please go back to the main page and click Open Account. You will be redirected to the dashboard page. Take a look at the lower left corner of your screen and you will see your account number. Click it. Now, click Change Type button and choose CopyMaster. You will see the green tick showing that the account type has been changed successfully. And now, let's go back to the dashboard. You can see that you have a CopyMaster account now. And now let's see how the investing page looks. To do so, click More and choose Invest. In a few seconds, you will be redirected to the investing page. You will see that your account is reflected on the right side, while the accounts of other masters are reflected on the left side. So that's basically it. Thank you for your attention.